students, how are you all? Welcome back. In my previous video class 10th math, we studied about the topic distance formula of chapter coordinate geometry, and one subtopic was left, that was equidistant. Equidistant meaning is, even you can find out yourself what is the meaning of this word, that equidistant means equal distance. So it means that this subtopic is also based on distance formula. Equal distance की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो distance formula ही apply होगा. Okay, so equidistant ये एक type of question है. They will give like this, that they will give 2 points to you, A and B. Maybe they will give you the values of these coordinate points. Maybe they will give you the value of one coordinate point, and after that they will say there is one more point O, and this point is at equal distance from both the points. ठीक है, जैसे अगर मैं आपको कहूँ that my home, there are two students of class 10th, one is A and one is B, and my home distance is equal from both the students' home distance, that A home distance and my home distance is same, and B's home distance and my home distance is also same, but it doesn't mean that both are on same place. Okay, only the distance is equal. Is it clear? So it's also based on distance formula. So let's start the question. So we will do question number 7 of exercise 7.1, that is based on equidistance. Okay, so open your book and read the question. So student, the question is, if you have studied that there are 2 points, the values of these 2 points is 2, -5 and -2, 9, and the distance of these both point is equal from a point which is on x axis. एक point है जो x axis पे है. First of all, what is the meaning of this sentence, that the point on x axis? If the point is on x axis, it means that y value is 0. Yes, अगर आपका point x axis पे है, it means y distance it is not covering, it means y value is 0, and x coordinate point value we don't know, abscissa value we don't know, so we will keep x in place of this. Okay, and this point is equidistant from both the points. So what are they giving to us? They are giving that the distance of both is same. So first let's give the name, all 3 points. Any name you can give. I am giving P, R and O. Okay, so what are they saying according to their question, that OP, distance of OP, we will write like that, is equal to OR, means distance between OR. They are saying that the point, a point on x axis is equidistant from both the points, these both points. ये जो point है x axis पे, ये जो और जो बाकी के 2 point हैं, ये point इन दोनों point से equal distance पे है. तो हमारा statement क्या बनता है, mathematical statement, that OP is equal to OR. Okay, इतना क्लियर है? OP और OR इक्वल है और दोनों डिस्टेंस हैं, तो हम दोनों ही जगह क्या अप्लाई करेंगे? वी विल अप्लाई डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला बोथ साइड, बट ओनली द वैल्यूज ऑफ x1, x2, y1, y2 विल बी डिफरेंट, एंड द वैल्यूज विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज 2 नेम्स. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट कम टू OP. OP, आई एम टेकिंग this x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now you apply distance formula. We applied in the first part 1 previous video. Okay, so apply that x2 minus x1, so x minus 2, yes, square, plus y2 minus y1 means 0 minus minus 5 plus 5 whole square under root. Okay, now we will apply the distance formula in OR. So now in this OR, x1 y1 value will be these and x2 y2 value will be the same. Okay, now you start applying. So x2 minus x1. So x minus minus 2 means x plus 2 whole square, and 0 minus 9 means minus 9 whole square. Is it clear till here? And under root. So under root and under root will be cancelled. No need to take that. Now you start solving. You can see here that we have to apply here a minus b whole square identity. So you apply a minus b whole square identity. A square plus b square minus 2ab and plus 25. Here also a plus b whole square identity. So a square plus b square plus 2ab and plus 81. Clear? Now we will cut x square square because both are of same sign and at different place. And plus 4 also we can cut. Now we will solve the remaining one. So minus 4x, and I am shifting this 4x also this side, minus 4x. 81 is already here, and I am shifting this 25 this side. So it will be in minus. Okay, when we shift the place, we have to change the sign. Yes, so minus 4x will be minus 8x, and this will be 56. So x value is minus 7. But this is not the proper answer. X value we have found out, but this is not the proper answer. What are they asking? You read the question carefully. They are asking the value of this coordinate point. So we will write here, therefore O coordinate points minus 7 and y will be 0 only because this point is on x-axis. I hope it's clear to you, because students, in the whole exercise distance formula, the equidistant topic is very important. Okay, so you note down this solution. Now students, there are 2 more questions based on this equidistant topic in your NCERT, but it's my suggestion that only these types of questions will be there in the extra books, and you please take these types of questions from the extra books for your practice. Okay, so let's start question number 9. In the question number 9, they are saying that there is a point Q which is at equidistant from both the point P and R. So find the value of x. It's same as question number 7. Only the difference is in the question number 7, the language was tricky, that Q point means that point which is equidistant from both the point, that is on x-axis. तो उस condition में क्या होता है? What happened that students thought that we don't know the value of both coordinate points and how to find. But clearly they are saying that the point is on x-axis, so y value is 0, and they can say that point is on y-axis, then you will keep x value as 0. Okay, so don't miss out this. Now start question number 9. It's same as, so you just apply the distance formula, that PQ is equal to RQ. Yes or not? Because both are on equal distance. So x1 y1 and x2 y2, and this also will be x1 y1. So first in PQ, x2 minus x1, 0 minus 5 square plus 1 minus 3, क्योंकि y2 minus y1 होता है, so 1 minus 3 means 4 square. Under root, no need to apply because it will be cancelled, both side is there. Now here also in RQ, x2 minus x1, 0 minus x will be minus x square plus 1 minus 6 will be minus 5 square. Clear hai? So it will be 25 plus 16 equal to x square plus 25. This will be cancelled, and x will be 16 under root. It means x value is plus minus 4. It means the value of x can be plus 4 also, and value of x can be minus 4 also. After that, in this question they are asking the distance between PR, PQ, that you can find out because now you know all the values and distance formula also. Fine students, and more than, if you have any problem, so you can write a comment. Okay, I'll solve. Now question number 10. This type of question, student, is also very important. I was just telling you that two coordinate points value we cannot find out. So in this question you read it carefully. They are already saying that a point is equidistant from 3x, this coordinate point. So first let's give the name A, B and O. They are saying that O is at equal distance from point A and B, and the coordinate points are already given x and y. They are not saying that it's on x axis or y axis. Both coordinate points. So they are not asking the value of both the coordinate points. They are asking the relation between x and y. Because by this we cannot find out the value of both the coordinate points. So they are already asking only relationship. क्योंकि जो आंसर आएगा वो x और y की फॉर्म में ही आएगा. So let's start that OA is equal to OB. Is it clear? So you just give the name x1 y1, x2 y2, this also x1 y1, and let's start distance formula. X2 minus x1, so x minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y minus 6 whole square. Okay, and here also x2 minus x1 means x plus 3 whole square and y2 minus y1 plus y minus 4 whole square. Is it clear? Now apply the identity in these four, a minus b or a plus b. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this side also a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now we can see that what can be cancelled here, x square and y square and plus 9, these are of different signs, so we cannot cancel them. Okay, so let's start minus 6x and plus 6x, so it will be also minus 6x. Okay, and plus 36 and minus 16 minus 12y and plus 8y equal to 0. I have shifted all the remaining terms left hand side. Okay, so now start calculation. Minus 6 minus plus minus 12x, then minus plus minus 12 plus 8 minus 4y, and this will be plus 20 equal to 0. Now what can we do, that we can take 4 common or we can take minus 1, minus also common. So I am taking minus 4 common, so it will be 3x, it will be plus y, and it will be minus 5 because I have taken minus also common, and is equal to 0. If I will shift minus 4 this side, it will also will be equal to 0, because 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So the equation is 3x plus 5 plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and this is the relation between x and y according to this question. Is it clear? There are so many questions based on this, that you find the relation between x and y if 2 points are equidistant from that point. So you take from the extra book and do the practice, because these equidistant topic is very important. One question is also left in this exercise, that is 8th question, and it is also based on the simple distance formula. So you apply, and if you have any problem in exercise 7.1, you write a comment. I'll surely solve it, and in the next video we will solve section formula of this chapter. Thank you.